What up, YouTube squad? It is Saturday morning, afternoon. Oh. Is it morning?
No, it's 1.
Oh, just kidding. It's afternoon. I don't know. We're about to roll out to First Gear to grab some air fresheners, maybe, if they have them, and possibly lug nuts for Dustin.
Possibly.
Possibly. Oh, you can see the car in the light.
But we'll go see it, and then if he doesn't have them, I'll order them for next time here.
Yeah, cool.
Afterwards, you want to stop by Josh's? He said he's going to fire up the car once we get there.
Oh, yeah. You better do a burnout.
Well, he's having issues right now. He's like, it won't start. There's no click and no crank, so something with the starter.
Okay. Yeah, we'll roll there.
Call you.
I'm just stunting on my ex, I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Hold up, I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace.
So Yellowhead is mint for getting rollers. I'm definitely gonna be throwing in some shots of Dustin's car right now.
Rich song, many rock them diamonds on me dancing. When you working hard, then your money start expanding. I got model bitches wanna lick me like some candy, and them drugs come in handy. Last name Savage, bitch, but no, I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a Plan B. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy. I'm just stunting on my ex, I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Hold up, I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand. Flexing on that bitch, hold up.
Oh, gotta get that Evo.
Josh wants us to pick us up one, so we'll stop some rooms.
What are the lugs, bruh? First Gear's hooking us up. Oh, yeah, those look good on the gold wheels, I think.
Yeah, dog.
And then squash.
Oh,
Do you know what a squash smells like?
No.
Like a pumpkin. That's what a squash is.
I'm a squashy old pumpkin. Bah.
Flexing on that bitch, bought a necklace on that bitch. Hold up, her friend gon' lick me like a freak.
Because knowing you, I'll put it on and you'll...
All right, let's roll.
Roll up, roll up, roll up. She and her feelings on the ground. Roll up, put 'em on. Flexing on that bitch.
So cute!
Oh, peep the Miata. It's got an intercooler. That Miata's boosted, bruh. Just spotting cars everywhere today.
Hold up. I ain't texting back that bitch. Hold up. I ain't stressing about that bitch. Hold up.
Oh, fuck the gyro. Yo, did you get that?
I don't know.
Fuck, dude. What's going on, guys? Nicky P. We can make food. Do you want to, like, I don't know if we have much barbecue stuff, but I wouldn't mind a fucking barbecue or something. Connor's coming. So we're gonna be doing a barbecue and putting Dustin's wheels on. So we're about to go grab what we need for food. Get some dirty old sausages. I don't know why I'm in here. Let's go around back. But issue. These wheels are basically on cords on this side. Like, it's worn to shit there. And he has new tires for him. There we go. He has new tires for him, but we're not gonna be able to get them mounted till maybe tomorrow or whenever he's able to, so that might be an issue. We'll see if it holds air. Oh man, first time in the back seat of this thing.
Yeah, say that because Kaylee's here.
What do you mean? Oh.
I was like, you kept fucking pointing the camera at me. I was like, what are you doing?
And we got some dirty PBRs.
I don't have my keys.
I don't either. Wait, God. It's really time. Just kidding.
Come on.
I'll sauce that stuff.
Don't stand up, Dustin.
Oh. Sauce me that. We about to do this barbecue right, man. Hit them with the tang. Yeet. Whoa. It's about to go down. This barbecue. And working on cars. What? Dude, you gotta gunny it now. Gunny it, what are you doing? Give it to me then, I'll drink it. Give me that, I'll trade you. Why?
Chet slammed it.
Oh. Now my hoodie's covered in it.
Yep.
Oh wait, it beads. Dude. Look at that shit. Well, for the most part. That's cool. Alright, let's do this. Connor's in there getting his tang ready.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. So this should be pretty fun. We're going to try and use a car air compressor for filling these tires.
Or if I just take the top, I know it's mine.
That could work. Damn.
You guys want
Quick hole.
cheese to put on it?
I mean, you don't want to, don't you? Cheese.
Cut up
Cheese.
Like pickles?
Nah. Just like relish, mustard, ketchup,
Mayo.
mayo.
Trap cheese.
Yeah. The OGs. Oh. Is it working?
Yeah. It's almost that time.
Remembered out, you're doing donies.
Don't you hate when you're chilling and those rain clouds are coming? Nah, we're good. Nah, we might not be good, but we're gonna try and be good. Kobe.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Wow.
Damn, why is this taking so long? I should probably turn it up. Well, plus half the barbecue doesn't even like actually ignite. Back to the garage.
See that happen?
Somehow, this beauty filled this thing up and seated the bead. So, we're trying to get these janky spacers off because some of them are stripped. Boy,
I gotta go home now.
damn it. Damn it. Uh-oh. Dude, stop wrecking my stuff.
Not wrecking nothing.
Drop it in. Oh. Dude, did you already bust all 5 nuts? Goddamn, Connor. You're really good at that. Dude, I think it needs a spacer. Hold that there. I'm thinking he's gonna need it.
Do we have it?
Well, the spacer's there. We just took it off. We might need it on.
Well, we can't.
Look at the fitment. Oh yeah, there's only 4 lugs. Some's definitely burning. Oh boy. Nobody's 2 steps ahead of me. Oh! He got it on his nose! Ah! No, I wanted more! That's alright though. No, you could have rocked the spacer.
Can't get fucked up
Technical
anymore.
difficulties.
That's true.
His fitment is not dank enough.
Can't get fucked up anymore.
Well, we gonna need this. Boys!
Like, it might not be like the strongest one.
Here you go. Which spacer did you cut? Alright, so we figured out a way to get past the stripness. We just chopped the strip part off. Damn! And it actually catches, eh?
Oh, there's death.
Push in. I need the thing.
The socket. Oh no, I see it going. Yeah, dog. Alright, Hood wrap shit about to commence.
Don't be getting chunks of metal all over.
Kayla, you're gonna want to move.
I walk around and
Whoa, buddy! Quarter-inch lowering, it'd be good. All right, I'll grab the wrenches. Dude,
I can't zoom in with only one hand. What?
Hold the wine.
I'm not putting it. Hey, remember, I'm the one who edits these videos, so I don't have to put anything in here. Oh, you don't actually have to video this, Kaylee. Well, it was exactly 3.5.
They're exactly 3.5 almost.
Exactly almost.
Exactly 3.5 almost.
Exactly almost.
Ooh.
That's some better fitment. Come at that. Look at that. Oh, that's muchos better, right? I have 217 minutes of recording time left. Versace. Hungry. That's some pretty nice fitment. I like that. Now the fronts! That is more like it. We just installed bags. So, we ended up putting on the rear wheels. Tires are all right. And then the front wheel has a goddamn hole in it. So, we will not be putting on the front wheels today. Tomorrow we're gonna be taking them in to get tires swapped on them, like new ones. And then hopefully we'll have the car rolling for tomorrow, probably. And then we'll get a couple shots of that. But for tonight, the plans have been foiled by shitty tires. Foiled. So, what are we doing now?
Still leaking.
I know it is. See this? I think we're gonna call it a day and probably just have a couple more Jerzanks. And for now, Dustin's rocking. He's rocking some dank fitment in the rear. Like, all right, this is nice. Oh, Connor's in the way. This, not so nice. But that's what the front will look like soon. Oh. All right, my turn to park.
Is it recording?
Yeah. Oh, I'm not gonna be able to make this. Am I crooked as fuck?
He's crooked as fuck. I think I'm a little bit crooked too.
What are you looking at? Oh yeah, okay. No, I'm pretty bad. Alright, let's go inside.
Diamonds on me dance. When you working hard, then your money start expanding. If your metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you. And I'm